Hi there, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to build, change this one to another filament holder. Uh, the bottom they've got silica gel packets. Um, there's a short video that I made. It was at 54% yesterday. It's at 10% now. And what's nice about it, yes, I'm all green this last few weeks. So from there, I directly go to the printer. So no taking out of the filament, it stays in there, and no moisture going in, and it's not used. There's not a lot of light there, but it's not used. Let's see if we can put some light on there. If it's not used, it will just sit there, block the hole. Yeah, so we're gonna do this one today. Well, that one, I've got some filament that needs to go in there, and on here you can see I'm printing another one of these slides. It will go on there. So let's do the design and then we'll take it from there. Right, back at assembly. So we've printed these holders. I've already mounted one inside the box. This one will go on the other side. We'll do that now. I've also gone ahead and cut out the square for our gauge. So the moisture gauge or hygrometer gauge or whatever you call it. Cheap little one. So that will actually fit in right there, but I'm going to put it in last. We still need to put in 2 holes at the bottom. 2 3mm holes. So let's start assembling the shaft. So this shaft is measured to fit in there. And this will contain the roll. So what I've done is found the center of the shaft. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a bearing on it. Look at these small little bearings. So 8mm by 25 bearing. So add a shaft. I've made some distance tubing for me. Another bearing. Oh, last thing I forgot. Actually, you will see where this comes into now. So I've got a spacer, the bearing, distance pipe, another bearing, another spacer, and top it off with another nut. So there's a bearing on the inside there, there's a bearing on the inside there, and this distance actually fits the inside of this. So when you put it there, it runs. So now this can run freely on the bearing on the inside and it will not climb off. And we do exactly the same on this side. Okay. Next, we need to get this sorted out. So like I said, I've gone ahead, I've marked my holes, I've drilled it. So this little unit, the purpose of it is when it's inside the enclosure, it will rest on there. So basically this shaft will just rest on here, and with the bearings, the spool will be running. So we've measured it. Just bring this closer for you. Like this. So the spool will run inside, and we'll have all the silica gel at the bottom here. So let's fit this unit. Got 2 little screws. I've put it on. The first one I bought didn't have any screws. I glued that one on, and I don't think it's the right way. It's this plastic is not nice for glue. It actually comes off. Just gonna hand tighten this for now. You can measure. Then let's turn this towards you. You can see what's happening inside. Now, okay. So we've got our filament spool sitting on the inside. Actually, we've got it the wrong way around. I would like this filament to run like this, not in front. Because I want a straight line at the bottom, I want a straight line out. If my printer is printing on the side here, you can see up there. The printer is printing, just focusing, running out, over and down onto the printer head, which is that side. So we'll take this, turn it around, put it back. So on this side, our little moisture meter. I would say it's a nice fit, but I made a little mistake on the side here. But it still fits snugly. 62%. And then at the bottom, I still need to fit my 2 3mm holes, which I will do now.
Cut this section off.
Before I push it through there. So this is PETG. Right. This just I can pull this. I pull this all the way and it just runs off. Pull it back up. And that's the one thing with PETG, it will just pull it all the way back. This one I'm not going to use it, so you can actually stay in there for now. Then for the rest, I'm going to use silica gel. And I'm going to top it off. And that's where this filament will stay for the rest of its life. When I print, I will not remove it. Yeah, I will actually top it off a little bit higher. Part of the reason is I want the filament fluid to drag through it as well. Give it some feedback. So when your extruder pulls, it doesn't self-spool. And also your filament, when it unspools, actually still the last bit, it will pull it through the silica. And then you top it off. You ahead, and that's it. And for the remainder of the spool's life, it will stay inside here. I will never remove it. I will add a second spool. I've got a new one, brand new spool. But I'm not going to add it now. I'm first going to wait for this to come down to 10%. So once it's on 10%, I will add another spool. Because this one, I think there's a lot of moisture still in it. And we've got lots of rain outside. So I'll wait till this drop to 10% and then add the other spool. But that's it. This is how simple it is. And this will now go and live right there. And from there, I will use a filament, which one I actually want to use. And whichever one we don't use, we just push it back and let it stay there. Blue one, for instance, is sitting here, ready to be used. You can see this one from there. But it is here. And same will be on this one. That's a wrap on it. I'll load those stuff on the Thingiverse account as well. Have a nice time printing. Guys, if you like it, please subscribe. Click on the like button. I'll see you in the next one.